we are going to simplify this expression. So we will make use of the identities. This is a plus b whole square and this will be a minus b whole square. So when we open this, we will get a square, that is a square upon square of this is 4b square, plus b square, that means square of this is 4b square, upon a square, and then plus 2ab. 2 into a, we have a upon 2b, into b. b is 2b upon a, right? And then we have minus, let's keep a bracket here because we have negative sign over here, so we need to multiply this negative sign after we simplify this. Okay, let's open this. This will again become a minus b whole square, so that is 4b square upon a square, minus plus a square upon 4b square, and then minus 2 into a. In place of a we have 2b upon a, into b, which is a upon 2b, right? Now here 2b and 2b will go, here a and a will go, right? Then here a and a will go, 2b and 2b will go. Finally we are left with a square upon 4b square plus 4b square upon a square plus 2, and here we have minus, so minus 4b square upon a square, minus a square upon 4b square, and then minus and minus becomes plus 2, right? Now let's see if we can cancel anything. Yes, this and this will go. This is plus a square upon 4b square, sorry, minus a square upon 4b square. This is plus a square upon 4b square. So we are only left with 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So we have simplified this expression using the identities. Now let's go here. Again we will make use of the identity. So here it is a minus b whole square. So let's open this. This will become 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. And we know that if this and this is same, then we will get minus 2 only, right? And then minus, if you look at this, isn't it a plus b into a minus b? So that will be equal to a square minus b square. So that is 3x square minus 9x square minus 1 by 9x square, right? Now this will become 9x square plus 1 by 9x square minus 2 minus 9x square and plus 1 by 9x square, right? Okay, let's see if we will cancel anything. This and this will go. Now we are left with 1 by 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. So that gives us 2 upon 9x square and then this minus 2. Now in the numerator we can take 2 common. We have taken 2 common. So we will get 1 upon 9x square minus 1, right?